Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all emails from Gmail. It's very simple and fast. First you can go to your browser and type Google accounts, and in this page as you can see there is Google accounts page. You can click it, and then now make sure you log into the right account associated with the emails you want to download. After that you can go to data and privacy, and then you can scroll down until you find data from apps and services you wish, and then click content saved from Google services, and then now scroll down, and then at Gmail you can click download, and then now in this step you can click next step, and now you can choose the destination, add to drive or your email. It's up to you, and I can change the frequency also and the file type, zip or others, and then you can also change the file size. That's it. Thank you.